Okay. 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 So, bro, you wanna go take this way?
Oh no, I'm good.
Come on, bro.
No, I'm good on that one, man.
Go. No? You don't want to do this? This way? Holy crap. There's a big drop. There's a big drop. Can somebody save me? So tell me, are you joking or are you like serious? But are you serious or are you joking? Thank. Girl, you're running. Here we go.
You're up here already? How's that happen? Keep it up. It's probably being high.
Here you go.
Pick yourself up.
Don't let your feet get behind you, that's when they slip out. Wedge yourself. Very perfect.
I got it. I can see the smell of success on her face.
This is the part I was not great for. Careful, they'll split right there.
It's actually
I sort of rolled over and
no. It's dangerous. Yeah. Unless you're really good rock going down the rocks, but it's not good. It's your fault.
Trust me, it does not happen every day.
Somebody coming?
Yep,
Right here.
you got this. Keep your feet in front of you. You're doing good.
So
Doing good.
coming up, it's okay there.
There you go.
Going down, no, you fall.
Got it. Keep going. Take your feet
Yeah.
up. Go about the right.
No worries. This is good here.
There you go.
You got it.
You have a rope.
You got it. Upper body. Upper body.
Yes.
Oh,
I would stop and I would try to keep facing forward and bring yourself this way every rock. Keep your hand over one belly. Perfect. Look at that. Way to go. Yeah. You are so welcome.
Excuse me. There are 4 more people coming. Yeah, my group. Hey guys. Good job. Look at you, girl. Look up, look up. Here, here, here. Nice. Good job. Yay. Good one. You and me took the same route. Sure. Okay, who is next?
Got it. That's those feet up high. Aim for this rock with your foot.
Nice. Nice. We have one more.
Oh, shoot. Do you want to try it?
You got this.
Yep. Keep those feet up high in front of you.
Veronica. Veronica.
Hold on to the rope. You want it.
Veronica. Veronica.
Put yourself up with those feet. You got it.
Veronica. Let me take a picture. Good job. Wow. So the weather guy said by 2 p.m. it's going to be 10 miles per hour wind in Boulder City. Look at here.
Yeah.
The weather
It's always
guys,
in the afternoon.
the weather guys are so accurate, and it's perfect because I don't want the sun.
It keeps us cool.
We are all together.
Gwen is somewhere up
No,
there.
Gwen went.
Oh, well.
She's gonna wait for her.
She's a rock star.
Yeah. And a future.
The other side, because you have long legs, you would have done it without any problem. It's not sketchy at all. You just need like.
Yeah, see, I don't have that.
We don't have her fancy gloves though.
I know.
But she has
I
two.
left them. I have a pair. I left them.
Oh.
I've been imagining doing this when it's like hot out here.
Right?
No, they don't allow.
No way.
It's closed.
Passed out to me. And then can you imagine
They're not gonna fine you or anything, but the parking lot is closed. Sorry, I'm yet to understand when you joke, when you're serious.
I've never been serious in my entire life.
Like today is the only day you're serious.
I've never been serious in my life.
She's like, Mo, you have handhold, you do this. And I was looking at her face. Is she being funny? Or is she being like serious? I was like, are you serious? Are you funny? Are you joking?
She looks pretty serious. Good.
Well, I could not see. By looking at her face, I could not figure out.
Don't worry, I have a serious face. They said I look
Okay, you're serious. Thank you.
They said I look mean.
We all believe that you are serious. You're a serious human, and I'm also very serious. Brent is the funny guy.
Yeah, he's very sarcastic.
Oh yeah, that works.
That's the Midwest in you.
I love this spot. I love this spot. Whomever missed out earlier should do this. You. Let me go up first, so I can take some. Millie! Millie! Oh, this is too easy for her. Bro, boo! Boo!
This is the last.
No, not this. This one is not the last.
You got it.
You can do it. Okay.
Use your heels, not
Head to your right. You'll have more
There
rock.
you go.
Yeah.
Heels, not toes. Heels.
Heels, not
right.
toes. Footholds. You got it.
Anybody?
Meanwhile, I'm all toes. Like a rock star.
Anybody who did that Havasupai, they have serious issues.
I don't know if I got it in me, ladies.
Let's see.
Come on.
Got it. Is this the last
You could do it.
No,
one more?
there's one more after this. You got this.
Let's see.
Here we go. Yeah, you need to let the rope
Love it. You got a nice spot on your
like
right. Far right.
relax your body against the rope. Stretch. Yep, right there.
That's it. Just keep putting one hand in front of the other and one foot in front of the other.
Right here.
Nice.
Look at here. Oops, bro. Life insurance.
I got it.
Life insurance ready?
You ain't getting nothing from me.
Oh my god, that dude just walked
Oh
out.
my gosh.
Mountain goat. That is hilarious. Vote for Pedro.
Oh, he's Pedro?
All right. Here it is. It might. Sure. You ready?
You need to do the same thing. Your name is Pedro?
Shoot. I got
No, his name's not Pedro. It's I'm a badass climber, dude.
Oh, okay.
1, 2, 3. You know what this is gonna
1, 2, 3, 4. Na 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 ni na na ra 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 ri, bye bye.
Now what do I do? Shoot. I don't think it's
Actually,
a good spot for me. Woo!
that's okay. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. Oops. Okay. Today is not your day. Take the thing up. You come up.
Oh my goodness. I thought you did that on purpose. I'm like, where are you going?
So the rope is pulling.
That the rope would
You should stay in this cubby hole, girls.
Yeah.
You should stay in the
I
cubby hole.
can do it. I can do
I
it.
just tried to. I tried to coach her.
I followed her idea.
And that was a bad idea.
Be in the center. Be in the center.
You okay? I'm fine.
It was like that Tarzan move. Yeah.
Okay. Take 2.
I wish we take 2. I wish we had video. I hope we had video.
I have the video.
For everybody. Careful.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Not so far. There
Okay,
you
lean
go.
backwards.
Right in front of your knee.
Perfect.
There.
Right.
All right.
What the strength? You have the best strength.
Yep.
You're the best. You're the beast. Like there.
Don't take my advice next time.
Very good.
Very nice,
Fantastic.
thank you. Hold on, don't get that too. Look at me. Slipping and
Right here. Right here. Dawn. Dawn. Let me pose a click. 1, 2. Oh my gosh. So cool.
Okay. Oh my goodness. I didn't know if I had it in me to get up this damn thing.
Why? You're a badass hiker.
Okay.
Yay! We all did.
Did you love that?
No, you're like swinging. First I thought you're doing it to have fun, but then I realized you might break your hip. That's not fun anymore. You know what? I'm actually a lot more happy
Yeah?
than before,
Oh, good.
actually. But I sucks that I did not travel. That's what is fucking like irritating me.
Dude, you act like you can't travel. It's not too late, bro. You can book a trip tomorrow.
I know. Now it's work.
So what?
Now I want to travel, but it's work.
Oh,
Fucking like they're
travel is
laying
work?
off people left and right.
Oh, well. Then you do little side trips.
No, it's like the Matterhorn is calling me. It's like
You said.
when I close my eyes, I see that the last vent in the top. That is what is coming into my dreams. And every time that fucking dream comes to my mind, I just do it.
Well, start planning. That way when you're ready, you're
There's no
ready.
planning. What I'm doing all this shit. I went to the Boundary Peak. I went to the Mount Charleston. I think I'm okay. When that is harder than that.
Stay.
Oh, stay. Yeah.
Stay.
Yeah,
What
that.
gear if you need to?
I have all the gear because I bought it for Argentina, so that part is covered. I just need you be that person, badass person, willing to die,
I believe in you.
willing to die for more.
I believe in you. I'll do Switzerland with you in the summer. Or not this summer.
Oh, to Germany, Switzerland.
Yeah. You know what? Actually, my friend Fred he's going to do 2027, the Mont Blanc,
Ah, Mont Blanc.
the 100
Yeah.
kilometer race.
Oh wow.
Yeah, so we're going to go and
Cheer him up.
cheer him on. Yeah.
Dude, for some reason I'm not into that running. I don't know why.
Yeah, no, me neither.
I need like hurdles, constant. Even this freaking drives me crazy.
Me too.
So, the motorcycle canyon, you'll come through here. Done. Motorcycle canyon rappelling, you'll come through this junction right here.
Okay.
So you can split, go to Gold Strike, or you can come back. So this is the. So motorcycle canyon, you rappel and you come down here.
Okay.
Yeah.
And that was above where we started.
Yeah, way on the top. You got like 6 rappels.
But it comes down into the same canyon, basically.
Yeah. And you need to hike back. Oh guys, our last hurdle. Okay girls, show us the badass. Without ropes. Do it without ropes.
This is going to have steps.
Yeah.
I'll go.
Yeah.
Okay.
There's a rope.
Okay, just in case, yeah?
Okay.
Please save.
Okay, just in case.
No ropes.
No ropes. To be fair though, they cheat with the steps.
Well, then climb from that side.
Okay, I'm all for having a rope. I like my ropes.
Go for it. Definitely makes it faster. The real badass is that little kid.
Who?
Dora. Or Shimmer.
Who's Shimmer?
Who's Dora?
The little one.
Oh, she.
Yeah.
The baby of the group?
Yeah. She's the best one here.
She is a little mountain climber.
Okay.
Oh, she's doing it without ropes.
Okay, because it's stuck.
That's it. Army. Army training comes back. Ta-dan, 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 ta-dan.
Not bad.
You're really good. It's not about bad. You're really good. Let's see.
Can you pull that rope out of that knot there? Yeah. It's kind of stuck in there. Under behind you. There. Or if somebody wants to use the rope. There we go.
Oh, they're all dry, but.
Oh. Are they dry all year long? When spring?
Yeah, I haven't seen the water there ever.
Okay, girls and ladies and gentlemen. Officially, we are done with all the climbing. Now walk, boring walk. You have your own Prusik?
I do.
You do? What is the one you had? The
BT person?
BT?
Yeah.
The one which looks like this, the cartoon or the... No?
So that's a rappelling device.
Oh, okay. Oh, sorry, Prusik is the thing. Okay, sorry. Rappelling device. What is it? Pretzel, right?
I have a critter.
Critter.
Yeah.
Who wants a smoothie? Yesterday I made one. Pineapple, banana, strawberry, blueberry, raspberry.
Wow. Don't be up here at night.
Why? What happened?
You got me.